AWeber Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to the AWeber Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience using AWeber's email marketing platform and going over their affiliate program. Be sure to check out the description for the links to both the product and the affiliate program. AWeber has been around for over 20 years, making it one of the most reliable email marketing tools on the market. It's built to cater to both beginners and experienced marketers, offering a range of features like email automation, email templates, and list management tools. One of the things that stands out is AWeber's user-friendly interface, which allows you to create professional-looking emails, set up automated campaigns, and track email performance with ease. If you're looking for a solution that helps you stay connected with your audience, AWeber is an excellent choice. Now, let's dive into the AWeber Affiliate Program. This program is a great way for bloggers, influencers, and marketers to earn commissions by promoting a trusted email marketing platform. With recurring commissions of up to 30%, you can earn for as long as the customers you refer stay with AWeber. They also offer a two-tier affiliate program, which means you can earn commissions not only from your direct referrals, but also from the affiliates you recruit. AWeber provides affiliates with a solid range of marketing resources, including banners, text links, and landing pages, making it easy to promote their services. The program also features a 30-day cookie window, meaning you'll get credit for any signups made within that time. The affiliate dashboard provides you with insights and reports to track your performance and optimize your efforts. To sum it up, the AWeber affiliate program is ideal for anyone promoting email marketing tools to businesses, bloggers, or digital marketers. With recurring commissions, solid affiliate resources, and a user-friendly product, it's a great choice for anyone looking to monetize their audience. If you're interested in getting started, be sure to check the description for the links to both AWeber and the affiliate program. Thanks for watching.